A new coat. A woman talks to Vikram in a store.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you work here? Good. I need help. I need a new coat. Do you like the red coat? Or do you like the brown coat?
Okay. The brown coat is nice and cheap, but the red coat is very beautiful. And it is warm. It is perfect for you.
Okay, I want the red coat. Thank you. You are good at your job. Where do I pay for the coat?
I do not know. I do not work here.
The new student. Zari and Lily are sitting together on the school bus.
Lily, there is a new student in our class. His name is Miguel.
Miguel, huh?
He is from Mexico. His father writes books.
Very interesting.
He speaks 3
Oh, he is intelligent.
intelligent and tall, and he has beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful shoes.
Zari, Miguel is sitting behind you.
What?
Hi, Miguel.
Hi, Lily. How are you?
I am good, thanks. Miguel, this is my friend, Zari. She likes your shoes.
Oh, hi, Miguel.
Junior's question. Dad, I have a question.
Sorry, Junior. I am busy now. A football game is on TV. Go, go, go!
I need money.
Yes!
Really? I need the money for pizza.
Go, go, go!
And I need a new video game.
Yes!
And I am not going to school on Monday.
Yes! Good!
Wow, this is easy. I am going to the store now.
Go, go, go!
Bye, Dad.
Yes! Sorry, Junior. It is a good football game. Okay, what do you need? Junior, where are you?
To the station. Oscar gets in a taxi. His friend, Lynn, is driving the taxi.
Lynn, you are driving a taxi.
Yes, it is my new job. Where do you want to go?
To the station, please.
Where is the station?
I do not know.
Okay. Lynn starts driving. We are here.
Lynn, this is not the station. This is the university.
Oh. Lynn starts driving. We are here.
Lynn,
Yes?
this is the hospital.
Oh. Lynn starts driving again. Okay, we are here.
Lynn, this is not the station.
I know. This is my apartment. I do not want to drive a taxi. It is a difficult job. Lynn gets out of the taxi. Good night, Oscar.